In the competitive world of car sales, dazzling vehicle photos can make all the difference. But for auto dealers, the challenge is producing consistently high-quality images without breaking the bank or the clock. Enter the EZ360 Automated 4K Photo Studio, a game-changer for dealers who demand excellence and efficiency. For those without a studio, EZSmart steps in, offering automated 4K photos with background replacement, transforming any location into a virtual showroom, all for an affordable $5 per VIN. Background replacement, or BGR, is the art of making your car the star. It eliminates distractions and replaces them with a setting of your choice, ensuring your vehicles stand out and sell faster. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about efficiency and consistency. EZSmart isn't just about swapping backgrounds. It's a multi-step marvel, cropping to highlight the vehicle, centering for uniformity, enhancing for perfect lighting, supersizing to 4K for crystal clear detail, and creating a spin for interactive viewing on your custom vehicle display page. Ready to rev up your online showroom with EZSmart AI, BGR, and more? Contact EZ360 now and drive your dealership's digital presence into the fast lane.